Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the tip settings for your service providers in BookingKoala. Let's dive in. First things first, navigate to the Settings tab located on the left side of your dashboard. Now click on Industries. Here you'll see a list of your active industries. Select the industry you want to adjust. For example, if you're managing a cleaning service, you'd click on that specific industry. Next, scroll down to find the Form section and select the appropriate form number associated with your services. Now you'll see the service category list. Find the category you want to edit and click on Options, then select Edit. Now scroll down to the Extras section at the bottom of the page. Here you'll see options for managing tips. You can choose whether you want the tip to be applied to all bookings, or just the first booking if a customer has added a tip for a recurring service. Make your selection based on what works best for you. Once you've made your choices, don't forget to hit that Next button at the bottom of the page and then save your changes. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.